Heading on into Motorhead Garage, and we've got a great show planned for you today. If your car stinks, this is an episode for you. Also, we've got AP Lazer in here with all new laser engraving technology you haven't seen before. And if you've got a problem with oil and the residue it leaves behind, we have a show for you. You are going to love this episode of Motorhead Garage, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Welcome to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Bradley Powers in the house, representing AP Lazer. We always love having Brad in because we learn about all kinds of technology. You've seen the AP Lazer if you watched the show before. For the folks that haven't, kind of refresh us. What can the AP Lazer do?
So the AP Lazer is known for its open architecture. AP is known as all-purpose, and that is the real reason behind the open architecture. They don't want you to be limited. With other laser manufacturers, you're limited by just what you see below here, the Z-bed. That Z-bed comes out as we've seen, so you can etch a car hood, whiskey barrels, larger sheets of acrylic, metals, things of that nature. So you are not limited with AP Lazer like you are with some other laser manufacturers. You get 24/7 technical support. You have great technology it's a turnkey package. So you get a computer, you get a warranty, you get tech support, you get everything you need from training to usability to maintenance. Everything you need is available with AP Lazer.
For folks that are interested in the automotive world, what kind of stuff have you done on an AP Lazer like this?
So our real garage-esque things that we've done with the AP Lazer CO2 is tumblers, keepsakes like little key tags, leather keychains. We go into clocks. Everybody loves a garage clock. So cutting acrylic pieces, doing a full acrylic whiskey barrel clocks, everything from that nature you can do with this AP Lazer.
You know, you mentioned some of the support you get. What if, you get into a new material you haven't worked with before? How do you figure out how to set the laser and how to get that done?
AP Lazer gives you a full set of starting parameters for a whole bunch of different materials, from acrylic, wood, granite, stone, brick, the list goes on and on. And that really gives you that ability to personalize whatever comes forward from a customer, for your business, just even as a hobby.
Well, we know cars are so personal to Americans. It's so American to love cars. That's why we're all here. So you can take a regular object and personalize it. What's it like to see, maybe a car club come along or somebody do something special for somebody they love on their vehicle, or a souvenir with their vehicle on it? As
you've seen with the DeSoto, from valve covers to oil caps, even to that football for Player of the Week. I mean, the sign of the smiles on people's faces are priceless. And that is what you have to look at, is emotional marketing pricelessness.
Now that's the CO2 laser we've come to love from AP Lazer, but here's a unit that folks may not be familiar with. What is it?
This is the AP Galvo 30C. So that APG 30C stands for Galvo. It's a fiber source. That fiber source is what you really want for truly etching into metals and other materials. That the CO2 is good, but you really need depth. And as we've come to learn, fiber is where it's at. People has asked and asked and asked for personalization with metal objects, and the new AP Galvo does that. As you can see with this wrench, we've personalized it with a don't touch. That way,
and my initials, I see.
Yes, your initials. Nice. That way, if somebody says, well, your name's not on it, your name is on it. And that is actually etched into the metal and then etched with a black mark. And there's no compounds to add, no anything else. It comes like that right off the machine, as you can see. And we have all kinds of items here that people just flock toward. So you get that emotional marketing and that pricelessness of customization with the Galvo, but you unlock a new opportunity with metals like silver, gold, aluminum, stainless steel, galvanized, anodized, everything in that nature you unlock with this new Galvo machine.
I know automotive folks are going to be interested in a lot of this stuff because a lot of metal on cars and everything. And there's a lot of different materials that you're mentioning. How easy is it to set for those different materials on the AP Lazer?
The settings are very easy. For my company, 1245 Graphics, we've had a huge amount of just inquiries about different things we can do, from jewelry to tumblers to really just getting personalization done on things that they thought wasn't possible.
And these are items that folks actually, you did for customers here. So,
Yes.
So a wide variety of stuff and easy to adjust the machine from material to material.
Oh yes, super easy. All you have to do is type in the new setting.
If you're a builder, you like to customize stuff, or you just want to make cool stuff for car folks, go to aplazer.com/TV, get your business up and running. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings and more cool products when we come back. Stay right here.